Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I don't really post here, so most likely I'm assuming most of you guys are new, and if for returning viewers, thank you so much for coming back. So if you guys notice, or most of you probably don't notice, but I have a little bit change of scenery going on here. So I'm actually back in China right now, and this is my childhood bedroom, which is why the aesthetic might not match my current aesthetics, but we're just gonna do this review. It's another Honest Beauty product because they were kind enough to work with me again, and this time it's the Honest Beauty Vitamin C Radiance Serum. And I know I wanted to make this like a first impressions unboxing video, but in order to bring this with me to Asia, I had to kind of unbox it and kind of take a look at it and make sure that it was travel friendly, which it is. But that kind of ruined a whole like surprise unboxing first impressions part of it, and I wasn't able to record that. But I'm just gonna give you guys the overall rundown. So this is how the packaging looks like on the outside. It's just a very simple box with all the information on the outside, and there's like a different image on all four sides. And it says over here is made without parabens, BHT, synthetic dyes, mineral oils, and synthetic fragrances, and another word that I can't properly pronounce and I'll probably butcher. It's not tested on animals. And it has artichokes and clover extracts. I'm not a skincare expert, so I'm not entirely sure what that does, but it says so right here. So it says infused with a blend of artichoke and clover extracts plus mica for a dewy glow. This day brightening formula boosts skin radiance for a brilliant looking complexion. And it says to apply to clean, dry skin after cleansing. After serum is absorbed, apply for Honest Beauty moisturizer or cream, recommended for use morning and night. So I've actually been using this product for around, I say like 2 weeks now. I used it last night actually too. If my skin looks better based off of what you saw it as in the previous video for Honest Beauty, where I hadn't even begun using this. So the thing about vitamin C products in general is I believe they're supposed to brighten dark spots on your face, and I think that's one of my main skin concerns, and I feel like that's a lot of people's skin concerns, just because regardless if you have acne, if you have age spots, they leave dark spots. So to kind of make your face look more radiant, more bright and clear, the main goal is to kind of just remove those dark spots. And again, I'm not a skincare expert, I'm just speaking based off of personal experience, and I've actually tried a few other vitamin C products in the past. I've used oils, I've used moisturizers, but this is the first time trying a serum. And what I really liked about the packaging when I first tried it was that it says 2 clicks to open, and then this comes out, but you have to make sure you click it in place. So you see the little nozzle over there, and when you press it down, that's the consistency. It's like a very, I don't know if you guys can see it, I don't know how close I can get, but yeah, it's like very, it's on like the thicker, like it's almost like a gel consistency, I say. Not sticky or anything, which I love, and it absorbs really quickly into the skin. I hate it when skincare products take forever to absorb. I tested it like 2 weeks now, and I haven't had any issues with breaking out or anything, because I have sensitive skin, so sometimes if I use products that are overpowering or just contain certain ingredients, they'll kind of break me out a little bit before anything starts taking place or like effects taking place, and this hasn't done that for me, which I'm not surprised by, because they do stray away from a lot of ingredients that would cause your skin to kind of break out if you're more sensitive. This is like a first impressions video, so yeah, it's like a very good size. It's 1 fluid ounce, so it's actually travel friendly. I did bring this with me onto the plane, and I applied it onto my skin once I got to my first layover. So but make sure when you're using anything with vitamin C in the daytime or even nighttime, just anytime really, to lay over SPF, because vitamin C does make your skin more susceptible to the sun's rays. I did notice that when I travel, I break out a little bit, and I had like a few zits along my mouth, and also a few I tend to break out along my cheekbone. So with the help of this, I find that, I don't know if it's like a placebo effect, but I did think that my scars faded a little bit quicker than I usually would have. Granted that there's still like some little bit of it left. You can probably see, actually maybe you can't see. You can see a little bit by my mouth. It's like a little bit faint residual scarring left, but honestly compared to what it was like initially, it's a lot better. So overall, I think I dig this product. I recommend it. If you guys are interested in trying the Honest Beauty Vitamin C Radiance Serum, click on my link in the bio and try this product out for yourself. Thank you again to Honest Beauty for collaborating with me, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Okay, I know that was a really rushed video. Yeah, I'm very new to this YouTube thing, so I'll read all your comments and I'll try my best to respond to all of them. Appreciate all your love and support. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Mayfacella, on TikTok as at Mayfacella, and bye.